Let's talk about how to make your training stick. Treating your customer service training as a one and done endeavor is both costly and risky. The cost part is pretty straightforward. You're paying for your trainers, materials, and staff for their non-productive time. The investment can be well worth it if what is taught is actually retained and applied consistently. But unfortunately, that doesn't always happen. Why? Because it's a one and done event rather than a true adoption of behavior. I can't tell you how many times leaders have told me, we've done so much training and nothing changes. And as I talk to them and drill down into the facts, I learned that training happened 5 years ago and was never repeated. Do you think that maybe they've had some turnover in 5 years? Do you think maybe people have started to fall back in old behaviors in 5 years? Absolutely. The other thing about taking a one and done approach is that your staff starts to write it off as a flavor of the month. And that's the risky part because it puts the leader's credibility at stake. If you want your training to stick, your managers need to see their role as a coach. When staff learn new service skills, the managers need to be on site to coach, mentor, model, and manage for those behaviors. It shows that they're serious about the content and they're ready to hardwire the behaviors. This is precisely why we design all of our training modules to include one specifically for managers. It gives managers the necessary tools to support key behaviors following the training. Historically, organizations do little pre-work or follow-up to their training. They put most of their time and energy into the one training event. At Baird Group, we do pre-work to customize the training to the culture, and then we teach you to deliver it as an interactive and experiential training. But this isn't the end. It's part of a continuum where managers continue on with coaching, feedback, reinforcement, and recognition, and connection to purpose. That's how you make training stick.